Flowcharts is our new topic, which is very nice, and it's an application. I'm going to say it's an application of what we've been seeing in introducing Watson method and then the iterative formula. So you're going to see how computers work. In simple terms, they try to use the idea similar to this, if not real idea. So these are the grammatical representation of sets of instructions used to execute a given computation procedure. These instructions have a step-by-step algorithm used or followed to solve a given problem. These steps are always finite, so there is a finite number of things or steps we have to take to do something. Diagrams are interconnected by lines called the flow lines. So these diagrams, from one thing to another, in our study, we are going to say they are having lines linking one to another. Those are called the flow lines. These are lines with an arrow. This is a line with an arrow indicating the direction in which a computation procedure is executed. Flow lines never cross each other. So let us see how many are we expecting. In simple terms, how many stages are we going to see in this computation procedure? Basically, we are going to see 6 stages. The first one, we are going to see the start stage, read stage, computation stage, some people call it the algorithm stage. Then we go to the decision stage, print, then stop. After printing, of course, the process stops. Let us go to the start stage. This instructs a computer to start the program. It's represented as a circle or an ellipse. So this is this is the first stage. And what you are doing, whenever you see this and this at the start, its arrows are just coming from it. You see they are coming from it, either this or this. So arrows are coming from it, and this is what we call the start stage. Now after starting, now the computer goes to the ready stage. You start now this arrow is coming to the ready stage. This is where values of input variables are put into the memory, executed in a paragraph or rectangle. So you see that now, after starting, now you come to read. The instruction is going to be like this or like that. Then this one, after reading, you send it to the computation stage. This is where computations or arithmetics or algorithms are performed. It's represented in a rectangle. So after starting, you go, then read, then you compute what you have put. So the computer is reading A and B. Now it's computing B is equal to A plus B. Now after computations, it sends it to the decision stage. This has branching operations from which alternative paths are taken after taking a decision from a given question. The answer to questions must be either yes or no, or true or false. So after making this computation, when you put in this, now they are asking, what is this D? Is D greater than 0? If yes, do something. If no, do something. So when we finish some stage, we go to the next stage. After finishing the next stage, we go to the next stage. Now, after taking the decision that either is yes or no, now we will go to the next stage, and that next stage, if it's a yes or no, we shall come now to the printing stage. One of these will terminate till when you go to the printing stage. So all this one, this one and this one, they will push you to the printing stage. This is where the output computation procedure and display for viewing. So after all this we've been putting, now we'll see. Am I going to print this? You see that what you are going to print. If yes, then you command that print. It's given in paragraph or a rectangular form. Then the stop stage. After printing, of course, now we are assuming that now all the process is exactly done. After printing, this indicates the termination of the computation procedure, i.e., it ends the program and it's written in circular form. So the last stage and the first stage are all written in the same shapes. Then this one, the second last and the second, the same. These ones, they are not exactly, they are not similar. Starting our decision stage, we are writing it in a robust form or a kite form. So that's what we have. Now, after doing this, after knowing the stages, we have 6 stages. We have the start, we have the read, the computation, the decision, the printing, and also the stop. Now, we are going to see how are these connected in the next lesson, and then we see examples. These are very easy things. See you in the next lesson.